If you are watching this video as a how-to build a PC, you are definitely in the wrong place. I am basically just documenting my experience of upgrading my PC. If you want to figure out how to build a PC, that would be a video that you search for on YouTube, because there's hundreds of resources out there and everyone tells you how to do it the correct way. I do it my way and it works most of the time. Maybe I should watch a how-to video. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Alright, so today is a very special day. I'm very excited for it because I am upgrading this PC that I built. Built that computer in 2014, and today I'm upgrading it. Alright, so before I really get to start on any of the upgrading process in terms of installing new equipment, the new processor, graphics card, RAM, whatnot, I have to create a boot drive from this thing, or on this thing. It's a USB thumb drive. I'm going to create a new Windows installation that I can install Windows on my new components once they're fully installed. Windows media file is installed and it's ready to go on that USB stick. Now comes the sad part of the day. I reminisce on all the past videos I've made with these components on this computer. And this is going to be the last time that this computer or these components, the processor, graphics card, RAM, it's going to be the last time that it's all shut down. So, let's do it together. It's being shut down. Now, to test the new components. You weren't supposed to see that. So I am by no means a PC builder by trade, and I've explained that already, that I don't know the best way to build a computer. However, I do know that static electricity, the electricity that you create on your feet by walking around on a carpet with socks, is a computer's worst nightmare, not the best friend. And I do know that one way to combat that is to plug in your power supply first and foremost. Then you have a grounded way just by touching your power supply, just like that. Can you guys see that? I hope you can see that. Just by touching your power supply, just like that. That grounds you from static electricity and will then protect all of your system stuff when you are building the computer. Step 1 complete. A safe way to build your PC is to set the motherboard up on top of the box it came in. And be really careful when taking the motherboard out so you don't damage any of the components, because this is quite possibly the most important part of your board. Is that the little button? Okay, watch the how-to video. You should be able to do this. Wow, that's really heavy. It's a lot heavier of a processor than I thought it was. Processor is installed. Next thing about building a computer, it can all only fit in one way. If it don't fit, don't force it. turn around and try it again. Alright, so this is for you all who don't build computers, don't realize the size of things. This is the graphics card in comparison to my head. I'm really nervous right now because I've not turned it on yet, and this will be the first time that this computer is turned on. The graphics card, RAM, motherboard and everything. Alright, so switch. Oh, we got power. Alright, here we go.
A few moments later.
It works! Ow, my knee. Okay. Alright. Everything's plugged in. Need to hit the power switch. This should have power. Oh man, alright. Here we go. Moment of truth. This is the power button. See if she boots up. We got her, gentlemen. Hey, look at that. First time's a charm. All right. Now it's time to install Windows. But I think I'm going to end it there. And hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. I've successfully built my third computer of all time. All the RAMs. Yep, everything's recognized. Okay. Successfully have built the third computer of all time. I'm going to install Windows, and I hope you guys enjoy this quick B-roll to end out the video, because a computer like this, once it's all lit up, it's... Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked the video. Like it if you liked it, comment if you didn't, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.